Manlagabalin. Amen. To your left kidney, you must breathe deeply to the left kidney to remove the stone and all things that giving problem. Apo, manlagabalin. Amen. To right kidney, you must breathe deeply to all the pain and sickness to your. Breathe deeply. Apo, manlagabalin. Amen. To over your ovary and your prostate. You breathe deeply to remove all the pain. Apo, manlagabalin. Amen. To your eardrum, to your ear. You breathe deeply to your eardrum, to the canal, to clean the air. And the Apo, manlagabalin. Amen. To the crown chakra. You breathe deeply to the crown chakra, connect to the brain. Apo, manlagabalin. Amen. To the third eye, connect to the brain to clean all. You breathe deeply. Apo, manlagabalin. Amen. You breathe deeply to your eyes to clean your eyes. Apo, manlagabalin. Amen. You breathe deeply to your thyroid. To clean and balance. We close the healing. Apo, manlagabalin. Amen. You put to your body. You breathe 3 times deeply for the healing of the mind, the body, and the soul. Amen. The important thing about this, you can feel little tired after finishing. Because we are removing, it's not only that we practice, but we are removing very sincerely that all the negativity of our heart, our lungs, our liver, pancreas, ovary, and prostate, all clean in the ear, in the crown chakra, connect to the brain, in the third eye, the eyes, and the thyroid. In the thyroid balance, that is the time that our body is become bigger. And that is why, brother sister, the important thing if you do this, you must remember that you love yourself. Remember that you surrender your life to God. God, because you told, the power of God is come to me. The power of God is come to me. And you can feel calm. Because the breathing is the connection of God. That is why I told that you must breathe deeply, breathe to your heart, and you remove. And that is why, brother and sister, that is one of the steps. And after that, we sit down a little bit, and I die.
After cleaning the organ, we now put the image.
You must do sins. Maybe you show us one. Give a demonstration of if you do with your mind, and if you do it from, if you do it from the mind, and when you do it sincere, you show.
I will demonstrate you if you are through the negativity or you through, if you are doing not